Look, Penny is heading out the door. Penny, what are you up to today?
Hey, Walter the Vault. I'm about to go buy supplies for my lemonade stand.
Sounds great. What's that paper in your hand?
It's my shopping list. It's the ingredients that I plan to buy at the store. I don't want to spend too much money, you know?
I'm impressed. It's very responsible that you plan ahead. That makes you a smart shopper.
Whoa, Walter. It's important to be careful and not to spend too much money. I mean, my goal is to make money from this lemonade sale. The grocery store has many amazing snacks and temptations. And once you spend your money, it's gone. It's not yours anymore. This list will help me stick to my budget.
Good thinking, Penny. And hey, that sounds like a rhyme that I know.
Thanks, Walter. And can I hear your special rhyme?
Well, of course. Before you spend it, you must choose exactly how much cash to use. 'Cause once you spend it in a store, the money's not yours anymore.
Before you spend it, you must choose exactly how much cash to use. 'Cause once you spend it,